Okay, so we decided that we was gonna share ourselves a experience together.
Yes.
4girls1mouth.com has a video that they say is the sickest, worst video that they've ever had, and they ever will have, and it's called Blood Gutted. Me and Dee decided that we'll watch it together, and so here we go.
Yo. Here we go. It's playing.
The video you're about to see is extremely graphic.
Extremely graphic, so watch our faces.
Extremely graphic.
You want to fix your head, man? You fix my head. I'm alright. Let's go.
Blood
There
Gutted.
you go. Hell no, keep it on, keep it on.
I don't want to watch this.
Nah, the camera's now pointing on me, cause you know me.
I can't watch this.
I don't see nothing graphic. Look at that boy, man. Getting that throat slit on Cutthroat City. Coming down through the alley of death, cause you about to get your throat cut.
Cut it off, dude.
Wow, no! I'm finna watch it. Look at that boy get gutted. Heck yeah, no, this is what I'm talking about. This that real junk right here. Whose throat getting cut wide open. You understand me? So yeah, so if you ever come plan me, that was him, you know what I'm saying? But that's what happened to you. What you crying for? She up there crying. Cause a nigga getting gutted, you understand me? Getting gutted. Come on, come
What
on.
if somebody did that to you?
But still, it's happening to him. Ooh. Oh boy, danger, boy.
They're monsters and they need to go to hell.
Come on, lay another one, lay another one, lay another one.
Cut it off, man.
Oh, she done cut it cause she done got weak minded, so
That's
sayonara. Peace.
That's so sad.
Peace. Peace. Alright, cut. 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 Cut.
That is so sick.